What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're actually going to be trying to fab up a radiator mount, pushing the AC condenser forward and the radiator forward more towards the engine. We're going to be doing this because what I want to do is have the charge pipes for the intercooler go over the radiator for a more cleaner look, because like we did before, if you guys watched the videos, there was like a lot of piping underneath and it was just like interfering with the alternator and it was crazy and a mess, and I want to eliminate that. And I do like the look of the pipes going over the radiator, but what we have to do to clear the hood, most people will go here, but you have to like cut into the bottom of your hood like a lot, or if you're running 2-inch, probably be a little better, but we're running 2.5. So what we're gonna do is take this, as of right now we have it hooked on the back side where it normally is, but have it in front of the top mounting points so we can push it forward. And we're actually going to cut right here along this line, so the intercooler piping will be coming up through here behind the AC condenser and over the radiator. Okay, so what I did was measure 3 1/8 from the middle out to here and out to here. I'm kind of following Track Dog Racing's instructions for this. We're probably going to want to taper this, but I just have it marked just in case. We're probably going to go like a 1/2 inch from this where it bevels and kind of follow this line like this here. And then we're not going to go any further than probably like right there, and we're going to leave a little lip. So I kind of drew a little mock-up. I'm thinking something around like this. We can always trim it out if we need to. So this is what we're going to be using to cut. It's the AirCat, what do they call this, Ty? An air saw?
Reciprocating saw.
Yeah, so it's basically a air reciprocating saw. It's supposed to be low vibration. So we're going to test it out. It's actually our first time using it. I bought this to do something else on the car, which you guys will find out in a later video, but we're actually going to test it first to try and cut this. It's my car and I'll cut off what I want. Like, it's gonna go like this and up to the turbo, and then this side's gonna do the same thing but up to the intake.
So one thing that we were worried about with Chelsea's hood is the clearance with the intercooler piping, which if you can see here, let's see, I don't know if I can.
You got a light?
There it goes. You can see that there is room between the top of the intercooler piping there and then the hood. There is so much, however, that I can actually fit my entire hand over it and there still be room. Now, yes, there is a slight gap here, but even with that going down another 1/2 inch, we still have a good amount of room.
Yeah, it's not gonna hit at all. So what we went ahead and did was put the hood back on with the radiator in. Everything looks to be clearing perfectly. I actually have the radiator pretty much at stock height. Wouldn't you say, Tyler, that's pretty much up high?
just about at stock height on the radiator
just-
itself.
Yeah, it just doesn't have that hump as like the most aftermarket Miata radiators do. It has that weird hump where the coolant fill location is. I cannot speak today. But yeah, we have the condenser pretty much spaced out to where we think it's gonna sit. Piping clears perfectly over the radiator and we still have room under the hood, which is great.